My name is Ron Powell. I'm a shift supervisor. I've been with SaskPower since 1980. I had a couple of university degrees, one in math and one in psychology. Steam engineering, as it was called in those days. I went into it and I was hired by SaskPower. We transfer water back and forth around the plant every day. My son, in the meantime, for some reason, decided after grade 11, when I asked him what he wanted to do, he totally surprised me by saying, I want to go into power engineering.
I've been a power engineer for about a year now. One good thing about power engineering is you take little bits out of each part of it. So you know a little bit of electrical, you know a little bit of the mechanical side of it, a little bit of the welding, a little bit of the instrumentation.
If you are interested in many things, sort of a jack of all trades, master of none in a sense, then this might be something that you would like. You will have to learn how to run the boilers. The boilers have a variety of systems, and it's not only boilers, it's basically every system in the plant. There are far more systems to run here than, say, being the pilot of a 747. You've got a tremendous number of things that you have to do.
I was training as a coal handler, and the power had went out in one of the surrounding areas around here, and I got floods of text messages from all my friends saying, what are you doing, get the power back on, and just kind of realizing that what I'm doing here is actually making a difference out there.
If you can multitask and handle this and handle the stress of keeping the production going, then this is probably a good trade for you.
The whole self-satisfaction is that you get out of power engineering, understanding how things work is really awesome. Before I chose to come to SaskPower, I was offered a job up in Lloydminster at an oil refinery plant. It had pros and cons to it. Sure, I would have made more money.
Oil and gas, they're kind of a boom and bust industry depending on the time, so you have to decide what you want. Working for any power company is good because it's continuous basis. Everybody needs power, so therefore it's not like the job's ever going to go away.
Yeah, laid back country lifestyle is awesome for me. Sea doing on the lake is awesome. Hunting and fishing, you don't have to go very far for that. Imagine the life you want to live and pick the job that's going to allow you to live that life. Power engineering, working shift work, you get so much time off, plus holidays and vacation on top of that, gives me the time to take a month off.
It's a good job, it's a good career, there's opportunity to move about the province, being part of a team, getting a good wage, having an opportunity for a good life. I think all of that goes together and is definitely something that you would consider.